Welcome back for another GRT price prediction analysis video, and in this video I will be giving you areas that GRT needs to continue holding above in the next coming hours, areas that we can also see a pullback into, and also share out my long-term Elliot wave analysis that I'm expecting to play out once the bull market is here. And at the time of this recording, GRT is holding above the 20-day MA here on the daily chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And the next key area of resistance that we need to break above lies at around the $0.15 mark. And a break above that key area of resistance with a successful retest, then I will be expecting GRT to continue gearing up and give us a high above the $0.2 mark in the next coming days. We are also holding above a significant area of support at around the $0.1072 mark, and this is an area that needs to continue holding in the next coming hours and also days for us to continue expecting higher prices. Here on the daily chart, GRT has also given us a break to the upper side of this descending trend line that I have here on the chart, which is a bullish indication that there are high chances that GRT in the next coming weeks or maybe months is going to continue gearing up and give us higher prices. GRT has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that back in 2022 we saw our lows down here at around the $0.05 mark before we saw this explosive move to the upside, breaking above significant areas of resistances in a move that gave us a high above the $0.2313 mark, completing the formation of this Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that gave us a bit of a pullback, giving us a low at around the $0.0784 mark, and there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and GRT is now ready for a massive pump to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And the minimum target areas for the third wave can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $0.3626 mark, which is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see GRT give us a 5-wave structure to the upper side, having the wave 5 completing the formation of this wave 3. And there is such a movement that we are seeing here on the charts if I zoom in, where you can see that after getting our low at around the $0.0765 mark, we saw this impulsive move giving us a high above the $0.165 mark in what we can term as the formation of this wave 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and there are high chances that soon we are going to get a low in place for the second wave, then continue getting impulsive in the formation of that wave 3, then expect a wave 4, and then a wave 5 to the upper side. And the minimum target areas for the second wave can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, and that is between the $0.1312 mark and the $0.1101 mark, the area that I have marked on the charts using this red target area. And there are chances that in case we continue heading further down or maybe continue seeing further weakness in the market, this is the area that we need to keep our eyes on, because there are chances that we are going to fully maximize the red target area, continue holding within it, and then after much of a consolidation and once a low is in place, we can see another explosive move to the upper side in what will be the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And the worst case scenario can only play out in case we see a pullback into the area and maybe continue heading further down, losing support at around the $0.1072 mark. That will be suggesting lower prices to give us a retest of this descending trend line that I have on the charts, and alternatively maybe give us a reset of the lows that we made down here at around the $0.0765 mark. And in case such a movement plays out, then that will be another perfect buy for my long-term wallet that I want to be holding for the bull market. And that is not financial advice, so we need to keep our eyes on this area right here between the $0.1314 mark and the $0.1106 mark. And that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the GRT chart. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.